line feels like Caroline Springs. Today I present to you this amazing property, number 1, Cromwell Road, Kings Park. There's 4 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and 1 big living room. Come up here, have a look. So here is your formal lounge, very spacious, very big size. Also have another front door. You walk through here, you have your meals area plus the kitchen towards the right hand side. If you come out here, you have your laundry to your right hand side, and then you come there and you have your pergola. So as you turn to the left hand side, you have the first bedroom door. Now as you come across here, you go into your second bedroom. There's also a bedroom wardrobe and a split air conditioner. And as you walk through the long hallway, you have another third bedroom here. So you have your toilet and your bathroom. There you have it, guys.
This is the fourth bedroom. This bedroom already connected with the hot and cold water, so you can convert it into the master bedroom if you want to build another bathroom and toilet in here.
So there you have it, guys. It's a 4 bedroom, 1 bathroom, big living, and a big backyard. Now if you guys do have any questions, please give us contact with us and we'll be more than happy to help you out.